Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best folding electric bikes of 2024. Are you looking for a convenient, eco-friendly way to commute or explore your city? Do you want the power of an electric bike combined with the portability of a folding frame? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 10 folding e-bikes on the market, focusing on models 10 through 6. Let's dive in and discover which folding electric bike might be perfect for you. Starting our list at number 10 is the isinwheel U1 electric bike. This compact powerhouse has been turning heads in the folding e-bike market, and for good reason. After spending several weeks testing this bike, I can confidently say it's a solid choice for urban commuters and casual riders alike. The U1's standout feature is its incredibly lightweight design. Weighing in at just 37 pounds, it's one of the lightest folding e-bikes I've ever tested. This makes it a breeze to carry upstairs, onto public transportation, or store in tight spaces. Despite its featherweight construction, the bike feels surprisingly sturdy and can support riders up to 265 pounds. Powering the U1 is a 250 watts motor, which provides a nice boost when you need it. The bike can reach speeds up to 15.5 miles per hour, which is perfect for navigating busy urban environments safely. One aspect I particularly appreciated was the U1's range. The 36-volt 6-hour battery may seem small, but it's efficiently managed to provide up to 15 to 18 miles on a single charge. This was more than enough for my daily commute and some extra exploring on the weekends. Charging is quick too, taking only about 4 to 5 hours to go from empty to full. The folding mechanism on the U1 is simple and effective. I could fold or unfold the bike in under 30 seconds with a bit of practice. When folded, it's compact enough to fit easily in a car trunk or under a desk. 9. Gotrax 20 folding electric bike. This sleek and stylish e-bike has been my go-to for quick trips around town for the past month, and I've been consistently impressed with its performance and versatility. The first thing that struck me about the Gotrax was its robust build quality. Despite being a folding bike, it feels solid and well constructed. The 20-inch wheels strike a nice balance between stability and maneuverability, making it easy to navigate through tight city streets or winding paths. The folding mechanism is straightforward and secure, allowing me to quickly collapse the bike for storage or transport. Powering this e-bike is a 350 watts motor, which provides a noticeable step up in power from our number 10 pick. One of the standout features of the Gotrax is its impressive range. The 36-volt 10.4 Ah battery consistently delivered around 30 to 35 miles of range on a single charge, depending on the terrain and level of assist used. This was more than enough for several days of commuting or a long weekend ride. Charging time is reasonable too, taking about 6 hours to go from empty to full. The bike comes equipped with mechanical disc brakes, which I found to be responsive and reliable, even in wet conditions. The LCD display is clear and easy to read, providing all the essential information like speed, battery level, and assist mode. I also appreciated the integrated front and rear lights, which automatically turn on in low light conditions. 8. Narrak Fat Tire Folding Electric Bike. This beast of a folding e-bike has been my companion on some seriously adventurous rides over the past few weeks, and I've got to say, it's impressed me at every turn. The first thing you'll notice about the Narrak is its beefy 4-inch fat tires. These aren't just for show, they provide incredible traction and stability on a variety of surfaces. From city streets to gravel paths and even light off-road trails, this bike handles it all with confidence. The fat tires also add an extra layer of shock absorption, making for a surprisingly comfortable ride even on rougher terrain. Powering this folding monster is a robust 750 watts motor with peak output of 1,100 watts. This is seriously powerful for a folding e-bike, and you can feel it. The acceleration is impressive, and hills that would have other e-bikes struggling are conquered with ease. In my tests, I easily reached the top speed of 28 miles per hour on flat ground, and the bike maintained good speed even on steep inclines. The Narrak's 48-volt 13-hour battery is another standout feature. It provides an impressive range of up to 45 miles on a single charge, depending on the terrain and level of assist used. The battery is removable, which is great for charging convenience or added security. Despite its powerful motor and large battery, the Narrak still manages to fold down into a relatively compact package. The folding process is straightforward, though due to the bike's weight, about 65 pounds, it does require a bit more effort than lighter folding e-bikes. 7. Lectric XP Lite 2.0 Lectric Bluer bike. This updated version of Lectric's popular lightweight folding e-bike has been my daily driver for the past few weeks, and I've found it to be a fantastic option for urban riders looking for a compact, efficient e-bike. The XP Lite 2.0 stands out with its sleek, minimalist design. At just £46, it's one of the lighter folding e-bikes I've tested, making it easy to carry upstairs or lift into a car trunk. Despite its lightweight construction, the bike feels solid and well built. The folding mechanism is smooth and intuitive. I could fold or unfold the bike in about 20 seconds after a bit of practice. Powering the XP Lite 2.0 is a 300 watts rear hub motor with a peak output of 720 watts. While not as powerful as some others on our list, I found it more than adequate for city riding. The bike accelerates smoothly and can easily reach its top speed of 20 miles per hour. What impressed me most was how well it handled moderate hills, something that often challenges light e-bikes. The battery on the XP Lite 2.0 is a 7.8 Ah unit, which Lectric claims can provide up to 40 miles of range. This was plenty for my daily commute and some extra riding on the weekends. The battery is integrated into the frame, which contributes to the bike's clean look, but it's still removable for charging. One of the standout features of the XP Lite 2.0 is its new hydraulic disc brakes. This is an upgrade from the mechanical disc brakes on the previous model, and the difference is noticeable. 6. Ride1Up Portola. This folding e-bike has been my constant companion for the past month, and I've got to say, it's been a joy to ride. The Portola strikes an excellent balance between performance, comfort, and portability, making it a standout option in the folding e-bike category. The first thing that impressed me about the Portola was its build quality. Despite being a folding bike, it feels solid and well constructed. The frame is made from lightweight aluminium, keeping the overall weight down to a manageable 58 pounds. The folding mechanism is robust and easy to use. I could fold or unfold the bike in about 30 seconds, which is great for commuters who need to quickly store their bike on public transport or in the office. Powering the Portola is a punchy 750 watts rear hub motor. This is one of the more powerful motors you'll find on a folding e-bike, and it shows in the performance. The bike accelerates quickly and maintains speed well, even on steep hills. I was consistently able to reach the top speed of 28 miles per hour on flat ground, making it one of the faster folding e-bikes I've tested. The pedal assist system is smooth and responsive, with 5 levels of support to choose from. The battery on the Portola is a 48 volts 10.4 Ah unit, which Ride1Up claims can provide up to 45 miles of range. In my real-world testing, I was getting around 35 to 40 miles per charge with mixed use of pedal assist levels. This was more than enough for several days of commuting or a long weekend ride. The battery is removable, which is great for charging convenience or security. One feature that really stood out to me was the Portola's hydraulic disc brakes. 5. The Heybike Mars 2.0 is a powerhouse of a folding e-bike that's been turning heads in the urban commuting scene. After spending several weeks putting this bike through its paces, I can confidently say it's a game changer for those looking for a versatile, powerful folding e-bike. First off, let's talk about power. The Mars 2.0 boasts a robust 750 watts brushless gear motor that delivers an impressive 80 Nm of torque. This translates to effortless acceleration and hill climbing abilities that left me grinning from ear to ear. Whether I was zipping through city streets or tackling steep inclines, the Mars 2.0 never felt underpowered. The 48 volts 15Ah removable battery is another standout feature. In my real-world testing, I consistently achieve ranges of 45 to 50 miles on a single charge, which is impressive for a folding e-bike. The ability to remove the battery for charging is a huge plus, especially for those living in apartments or with limited storage space. One aspect that really impressed me was the Mars 2.0 SFAT tires. The 20x4 all-terrain tires provide excellent stability and grip, making the bike feel secure even on rough or slippery surfaces. I took it on some light off-road trails, and it handled surprisingly well for a folding bike. The folding mechanism is straightforward and feels sturdy. I could fold or unfold the bike in about 30 seconds, which is great for commuters who need to quickly stow their bike on public transport or in the office. When folded, it's compact enough to fit in most car trunks or under a desk. Next up is the Lectric XP 3.0, a bike that's been making waves in the folding e-bike market. After spending a month with this sleek black beauty, I can see why it's gained such popularity. The XP 3.0's 500 watts, 800 watts peak motor provides plenty of zip for urban riding. I found it had no trouble keeping up with traffic or climbing moderate hills. The pedal assist is smooth and responsive, with 5 levels to choose from. I particularly appreciated the throttle option for those times when I needed a quick boost without pedaling. One of the standout features of the XP 3.0 is its long range. The 48V 14Ah battery consistently delivered 45 to 50 miles of range in my testing, which is impressive for a bike in this price range. The battery is integrated into the frame, giving the bike a clean, streamlined look. The XP 3.0's ride quality is surprisingly good for a folding bike. The 3 wide tires provide good stability and shock absorption, while the front suspension fork takes the edge off bumps and rough roads. I found it comfortable for longer rides, which isn't always the case with folding bikes. The folding mechanism is well designed and easy to use. I could fold or unfold the bike in about 20 seconds, making it convenient for multimodal commuting. When folded, it's compact enough to fit in small apartments or office spaces. The Voladors folding electric bike is a hidden gem in the world of folding e-bikes. After spending several weeks with this compact powerhouse, I've come to appreciate its unique blend of features and performance. At the heart of the Voladors is a 350 watts brushless gear motor. While not as powerful as some others on our list, I found it more than adequate for urban riding and moderate hills. The motor is whisper quiet, which I appreciated during early morning rides. The 36V 10.4Ah battery provides a respectable range of 30 to 40 miles, depending on terrain and assist level. While not the longest range on our list, it was sufficient for my daily commute and weekend joyrides. The battery is removable, making it easy to charge indoors. One feature that sets the Voladors apart is its 7-speed Shimano gear system. This allows for efficient pedaling at various speeds and on different terrains. I found myself using the gears frequently, especially on hilly routes, which helped extend the battery life. The 20 wheels with 1.95 tires strike a nice balance between maneuverability and stability. While not as plush as fat tires, they provide a smooth ride on city streets and light trails. The front suspension fork helps absorb bumps and road vibrations. The folding mechanism is straightforward, though not as quick as some others on our list. It took me about 30 to 40 seconds to fold or unfold the bike. When folded, it's compact enough to fit in a car trunk or under a desk, making it great for mixed mode commuting. 2. The Aventon Cinch.2 is a folding e-bike that punches well above its weight class. After extensive testing, I can confidently say it's one of the most well-rounded folding e-bikes I've ever ridden. Powering the Cinch.2 is a 500 watts, 750 watts peak rear hub motor that delivers impressive performance. The acceleration is smooth and powerful, easily getting me up to the 20 miles per hour top speed. Hill climbing is a breeze, even on steep inclines that would have me walking a regular bike. One of the standout features of the Cinch.2 is its torque sensor. This provides a more natural, responsive pedal assist compared to cadence sensors found on many other e-bikes. The result is a ride that feels more like a regular bike, just with superhuman strength. The 48V 14Ah battery is seamlessly integrated into the frame, giving the bike a sleek look. In my real-world testing, I consistently achieved 45 to 50 miles of range, which is impressive for a folding e-bike. They absorb bumps and vibrations, making for a smooth ride even on rough roads or light trails. Combined with the front suspension fork, the ride quality is exceptional for a folding bike. The folding mechanism is well designed and easy to use. I could fold or unfold the bike in about 20 to 25 seconds, which is quick enough for practical use in multimodal commuting. When folded, it's compact enough to fit in a car trunk or store in a small apartment. Topping our list is the Brompton C-Line 6-speed folding bike. While not an e-bike out of the box, its unparalleled folding design and ride quality earn it the top spot, with the option to add electric assist later. The Brompton's folding mechanism is a work of art. After a bit of practice, I could fold or unfold the bike in under 20 seconds. When folded, it's incredibly compact, smaller than any other bike on our list. This makes it perfect for storing in tiny apartments or taking on public transport. The 6-speed drivetrain provides an excellent range of gears for tackling various terrains. I found I could comfortably climb hills and cruise on flats. without ever feeling like I was spinning out or grinding away. The gear changes are smooth and precise. Despite its small 16 wheels, the Brompton offers a surprisingly comfortable and stable ride. The long wheelbase and well-designed frame geometry contribute to a ride that feels more like a full-size bike. I could comfortably ride for hours without feeling fatigued. One of the Brompton's standout features is its versatility. With a wide range of accessories available, from front carriers to rear racks, you can customize the bike to suit your needs. I particularly appreciated the ease of adding a front bag for commuting. While not an e-bike, out of the box, Brompton offers an electric assist conversion kit. This allows you to enjoy the benefits of electric assist while maintaining the Brompton's unparalleled folding design. The conversion doesn't compromise the bike's ability to fold, making it a great option for those who want the best of both worlds. In conclusion, each of these folding e-bikes offers something unique. From the powerful Heybike Mars 2.0 to the ultra-compact Brompton, your choice will depend on your specific needs. Whether that's power, range, compactness, or versatility, whichever you choose, you'll be joining the growing community of folding e-bike enthusiasts who are revolutionizing urban commuting and leisure riding.